everybody, welcome to What's Food Today channel. My name is Thương, the main actress of this YouTube channel. The channel will introduce to you variety, easy but healthy daily food from Asian to Western. As a housewife, I can understand how difficult sometimes to choose what you're gonna cook. And the question, what I'm gonna cook today is appear every morning or afternoon. But don't worry, if you still wondering about it, just follow this channel, subscribe, and I'm gonna think about it for you. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook fresh spring roll or cuốn in Vietnam. The advantage of this food is really easy, fresh, and healthy, and easy to prepare for 1, 2, or even a groups. The disadvantage of this food is there are a lot of ingredients inside of this, so you take a little time to prepare. The other one that whenever you start to eat, you cannot stop until nothing left on the table. Okay, let's start. So for ingredients, you will have 2 parts. First part is spring roll. For spring roll, you need rice paper, rice noodle, lettuce, mint, or you can use basilic Thailand, pork and shrimp, cucumber, pineapple, carrot, and eggs. And second part is the sauce. So for the sauce, especially you need fish sauce, garlic, chili, lemon, and sugar. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to. First, you have to boil the meat with water, and same for shrimps. You should cover it so it can be faster. You put in eggs, a little of knob or maybe salt, you mix this. Okay, so now you check if it cooked. Yes. And take it out. Like this. While you're still waiting for the pork, you put another pot of water to boil the noodle. You check the pork, well cooked or not. Okay, it's nearly finished. So when the pork is finished, you can put it off and take it out. When the water boils already, you can put the noodle in. You can get the noodle until when it boils, and you change the color to white like this, and it's soft as well. Okay, we start with the meat. Should cut it very thin. Here. Continue with eggs. It's easy. It's easy. Continue with shrimp. You should remove the head and the shell. When it's done, you just need to cut it in half. So you can cut pineapple like this and cut it in the thinner. Continue with the carrot, you can pin it. That. Cut it in smaller. Continue with cucumber. With the noodle, you can cut it in smaller, like this. So it will be easier for you to take it later. So now we start to roll. We have rice paper in here. Just take it, put it in water, like this. It's a bit of dry. So take care, you see, in here. First you should put the lettuce, put some noodle. After that you put some mint, some pork, eggs, cucumber, carrot, pineapple. Normally you can see that people, they don't often put the pineapple, but if you really like a little sweet, you can put it. And you put 2 or 3 shrimp to turn it so it's more beautiful. Now you put the side in like this, and another side in like this. After you roll, just like this. You got a spring roll. Continue another one. Second one. So now the most important part is the sauce. I will do with fish sauce. So the rule is 3 water, 1 fish sauce, 2 sugar, put 1 spoon of lamb, add some chili, with the garlic, So now is a little remarkable of this food. Whenever you prepare for this food, if you cannot find the pork or you don't like the pork, you can turn it to beef or chicken. Even with the vegetable inside, you can turn it to another vegetable you like a mint, you can turn it into basilic Thailand, or even you don't need to put the pineapple. The taste may be a little different, but still fresh spring roll. Thank you for watching my video. See you on next video.